Hi, today we're going to have a look at how to use print area jQuery plugin in order to print the specific element on the page. Not the entire page, just the element which we'll be calling. So if we look at our test page here, we've got a header image, then we have content area, which has this image on the left here with some text. If we scroll down to the bottom, you can see we've got a print button, and this print button, what will do, it will print only the content on this white background. So if we click on the print, and I'm going to click on preview, you can see the header isn't shown here. It's only the content within the white background that's actually going to be printed. So if we cancel this, first thing we need to do is to download the jQuery plugin. If we go to plugins.jquery.com/project/print area, and now if we scroll down, you'll see the downloads section. Click on view all releases. Now if we scroll down and get the latest version, which at the time of this recording is jQuery.printarea.js_4.txt. If we right click on this one, save link as, and make sure that you rename txt to JS. I have already downloaded this file before recording this video, so if I open my downloads folder, you can see I've got this file here. Now if I go to my editor, together with these videos, you have access to the exercise files, download them, put them into the root of your project, and we're going to be moving this file to the JS directory. So now that we've got a file inside of the JS folder, we can open our index.php, and we're going to start by creating the page structure. We've got some default tags already in place. So we start with the div with the ID of wrapper. Then inside of the wrapper, we're going to create the header. So div with the ID of header. And inside of this header, if we go to the images folder, you'll find the header.png file. If we just drag it over, width and height is okay. Alt doesn't matter that much at this stage. So if we scroll down, now we're going to create the div with the ID of content. This is the div which will take the content off and print on the page. And after the content, we create our link, or button rather. We have a href with just the hash symbol and class print and rel content. We will be using this rel attribute in order to find the content, the div which we want to print the content of, and obviously label will be print. So now if we save the file, inside of the content, I want to create a few tags. So h1 heading content. Then we're going to put a few paragraphs. I'm going to use the plugin here in Coda, which is lorem ipsum. I'm going to put 2 paragraphs. Then after these 2 paragraphs, I'm going to create another heading, heading 2. Let's say sub section heading, then another 2 paragraphs. There we go, lorem ipsum, there we go. And I think that's enough for now. If we save the file, go back to our browser, I'm going to open the specific page, so it's going to be print. There we go, this is our page at the moment. We've got the print button. We haven't got an image, and I didn't include this image with the exercise files because obviously there are copyrights on this. I've purchased this image, so get any kind of image you want to use. I'm going to move this image before the first heading. Include it. Start with the / because I'm working on a subdomain. On the domain. Then that's all fine. We're going to use some styling to make sure that it's floating to the left, and margin is 0 from the top, 20 from the right hand side. Then we have from the bottom 0 and from left 0 as well. Now if I save the file, go back to our page, you can see we've got this image on the left here. Now let's move to the next video and work with our core.js file.